Hi everyone, welcome basic web template part 2. Today I will discuss about basic web template briefly. Many question: why should learn web design? Why should learn basics web template? What should learn? What should learn web design? This is question. So if you think that you will build up a house building, at first you can think, then firstly you need an engineer who gives instruction for house building. So for this you have to call in an engineer. Engineer will give you instruction. For this you have to pay him money or dollar. So I suggest you, if you want to learn web design, so I will talk to you. At first you have to basic knowledge of HTML and basic CSS and JavaScript. So these three part if you gain, so you will learn easily web design and website. Okay, can I understand? So let's start this web page. Look at the basics template. This is header, this is main area. Again 2 or 3 area inside this main area. Understand? This is total. This is total from bottom main area. So now let's start. I open it with Sublime Text. Again reopen Notepad++, because if you become beginner, so you need Notepad++. I'm going to open Sublime Text for editing. Okay. I start my coding. You can start. This name basic web template. Okay. At first we have to consider, we have to plan before coding. So I declare div class header. This is stock. Okay. After that div dot main. Inside main div we will declare necessary elements such as dot menu dot content. Inside main content and sidebar will be declared. Understand? Div dot content. I copy it and paste it. Say this side bar. Okay, Now top we have to declare footer. Okay, so now think div one, this is main, inside 1 2 main 3 1 inside main div menu, main content and footer, 3 section. Understand? I kept text in header. Now look at the web template. Now see img, this is img. Understand? Inside logo page on, you can think next paragraph tag. Okay, we can declare another div for customization. Top on anchor element, we can declare h on textured below, TURED, textured blue inside span because color will be changed. SPA change. Okay, next P. Now go back and copy. Okay, header is done. Now we have to work main class such as menu. Go back website, home, another page, page example, contact. We have to declare email, home, HOME home, okay, another page, a page, sorry, another page, example, contact. Example. I have copy. Will be contact. CONTA. Okay, man is done. Now main content. Main content inside I have declared content. Now look at template, heading 1. This is heading 1. This is paragraph tag. Heading 1. paragraph on order list. Okay, you have to think in this way. So go back, heading on, copy, next P, copy, P, up to P, only P, paste, okay, break for VTAC, break, 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 break. Okay, after that now go back, H on, another H on, understand? Don't worry. P, copy, copy. I have to declare an order list. We can declare another div. Top underscore eval li Internet Explorer seven Firefox Google 0.8 okay, main content is done. If I go to browser, please don't forget save. Okay, see header h1, p tag, and order list, main content heading 1, p tag, h2, h1 another, p tag, and order list. Okay, next week I will discuss sidebar and footer. Okay, thank you for watching.